Hi everyone, my name is Danielle Simpson. I am a certified ketogenic lifestyle coach. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and tell you why I started my ketogenic lifestyle journey and also why I love Kiss My Keto products. So I started this journey about 4 years ago maybe, and I just wanted to feel better about myself, get more energy. I did have about 20 pounds to lose, but I was just stuck in a rut and I was tired and I was just exhausted all the time. And I am a foodie. I love foods. So I had tried the traditional diets, where you get to eat just a plain chicken breast on a bed of lettuce and maybe eat 6 times a day, but you always had to have a small meal and it always had to be lettuce and protein and carbs and, fat-free diet or fat-free dressings and cut that stuff out. And I was just miserable. I did that for a while and I lost about 3 pounds doing it, and I was also doing an hour and a half on the elliptical, and I wasn't happy. My husband didn't like me dieting because I would get hangry and not see results, so I started doing research on this lifestyle, and when I told him about it, he thought I was crazy. He's like, you can't eat fat, you can't eat all these great foods and lose weight. Well, I did. Not only did I lose weight, but I felt good. He loved the food, so he's naturally transitioned over also. It's been a life changer for me. I'm happy. I feel great. I have good energy. I'm in better shape than I was, and I love it. So I always try to preach it and tell everybody about it because it's worked for me and it's worked for my family. So if somebody wants to try it, by all means they should, especially if they've been through the diet yo-yos. When I first started looking for products such as the MCT Oil, I came across Kiss My Keto, and I had a great experience with them because I had actually emailed about a couple of different products, and I got an email back asking where I was in this journey. Was I just starting out? Had I been doing it for a while? Had I had any success? So I answered those questions and got an email back again. It was actually from Alex, which I really appreciated, and he went over what products of theirs would benefit me for where I was, and also what products that I really didn't need at this time. And that always stuck with me because as a company, he wasn't just trying to sell me a product or, look at the bottom line and I sold X amount of units. He was actually trying to help a customer out. So for that, I greatly appreciate that mentality and that thought process, and I am basically a lifelong Kiss My Keto customer now because I do love their products and I do love that they're not just trying to sales pitch somebody. The 2 products that I use probably daily are their Pure C8 Brain Fuel, and I use this usually in my coffee, or I'll top it on a salad, make a salad dressing out of it. I prefer the C8 versus the C8 and C12 blend just because I do have a sensitive stomach. The other product that I love is their protein. They've got the chocolate and they've got the birthday cake. I absolutely love the birthday cake. I put this either in my coffee, my tea, a smoothie. You can add it to your pancakes. You can bake with it. It makes a great addition when you throw it in, whether it's a mug cake or cupcakes, a full-size cake, anything along those lines, cookies. You can put it in with your coconut flour or almond flour, and it will help with the consistency, but it'll also give it a great flavor, and it gives you collagen, which is very important for skin, hair, nails, gut health, joint health, all of that stuff. It's wonderful to use. So whether you use the birthday cake, the chocolate, and unflavored anything, I always recommend using a collagen daily. This birthday cake and the chocolate also has MCT oil in it, so that's just an extra bonus. But those are my 2 favorite Kiss My Keto products, and that is also my little mini story on why I love Kiss My Keto and will forever be a lifetime customer of theirs. So thank you, Alex. Thank you, all of the staff at Kiss My Keto. Everyone I've ever worked with has been wonderful, answered my questions, great customer service, and I guess that's my story on why I started keto and why I started using Kiss My Keto. Thank you all very much.